Pam's Blog Vibes. I'm Pam, and I am so glad to have you back again with a new video. I got up this morning and I came into my bathroom. I have two bathrooms, and so one bathroom is like specifically for myself, and so I keep a lot of my makeup and hair products and skincare in that bathroom. And I was thinking, oh, this bathroom is a hot mess. I haven't been tending to it like I should. But today we are going to get it together. We are going to pull it together because what? A lady can't start the day unless what? Her bathroom is not in disarray. So, what is the first thing that ladies do in the morning? Us girls, us women, we go into the bathroom and we pull ourselves together. So we cannot pull ourselves together, stay leveled up and on point unless what? The bathroom is together, leveled up and what? On point. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this is my bathroom, and as you can see, it is in disarray. It's got a little bit of everything going on. It is taking on a mind of itself. And so today we are going to get it all together, get it clean, get it neat, freshen it up. And so that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be wiping, dusting, doing the floors. And so we're going to get it all clean and neat and pulled together. Let's get into it. Bye.